Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of the Nexgrill Neevo 720 Plus with me, Max Good. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here's Nexgrill's Neevo 720 Plus. You get a condiment tray, and on the right side, a work shelf with tool hooks. Come around back to get at the LP tank. Wish they gave front access to this big beast with not one but 2 power cords. The cart has 2 doors in front for storage and to use the slide-out grease tray. The air fryer is actually a multi-function oven that also bakes, broils, toasts, and warms. There are electric elements top and bottom, a large convection fan up top, and an interior light. Comes with a crumb tray, pan, and air fryer basket. Windows on the oven and grill. Now here's what makes Neevo special. It's the first affordable thermostatically controlled gas grill capable of 2-zone settings we've seen. A controller regulates and monitors temperatures. Use this QR code to install Nexgrill's NexFi app and manage the controller from your cell phone. Neevo has additional features like meat thermometers, a timer, and self-clean. I love that self-clean. Inside are 2 22,000 BTU burners. Those lightning bolts on the controller display settings for each. 1 meat probe is included, and there are inputs for 4 total. A thermostat is placed between the 2 burners to monitor cooking temp. 2 heat tents protect the burners and even out heat. 2 coated cast iron grates go on top. There's a pretty big warming rack that drops down out of the way when not needed. There you have it. We've been screaming for thermostatically controlled gassers for years. It's exciting to finally see a few come onto the market. If Neevo lives up to its promise, it will be groundbreaking. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.